Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And if at any point in time in this video you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit on that like button, as well as don't forget to hit on that subscribe and hit on that bell for notifications so you get notified of any future videos. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how long it takes to charge the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus from 0 to 100%. Now, the battery size of the Galaxy S9 Plus is a 3,500 milliamp battery, and then the smaller brother, the Galaxy S9, has a 3,000 milliamp battery. But Samsung has thrown out there two different numbers in terms of charging. The very first one is that you're able to get a half of a charge in half of an hour, and then the other number is that you're able to go from 0 to 100%, basically go a fully charged device in 90 minutes. So in this test that you're about to see here in just a second, we're going to see if number one, we're able to hit the very first number, which is 50% within 30 minutes. And then the next one is to see if it's able to hit 100% in 90 minutes. Now make sure you guys stick around to the very end of this video because I'm going to give you guys a life-changing tip that will definitely extend the battery life of not only your phone throughout the entire day, but also the lifespan of you holding onto this phone for either 1 year or 2 years. And it's with a very easy smart plug like this one. So if you're one of those people who charge your phone throughout the entire night, maybe you get home, you plug it in, you head to bed, 8 hours later, you unplug your device, and then you head out for the day. This right here is going to change the life of your device and making sure that you're able to get the most out of it for that 1 or 2 years that you're owning the phone. Alright, so for me testing this, I made sure that number one, I had the phone completely turned off, which I do want to let you guys know that if your phone is on or off, the results are going to be almost the exact same. It might be a difference of 1 or 2 minutes if your phone is on, but you're not really using it. Now, if you're using it a ton, obviously that's going to make a big difference. But if your phone was on and not being touched, or if your phone is off, pretty much the results are almost the exact same. Also, the other thing I made sure I did was I used the normal cable that'll come inside of the box of the phone, and I also used the wall plug for the fast charging that came again from Samsung. So everything is everything from the box, nothing is third party, the phone is turned off, and that was pretty much how I set it up for the test. And let's get to the video. So as you saw in that video, we were not able to get to half of a charge within half of an hour. But all that lets me know is that I have a good, strong battery that is in the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now, obviously, it should be strong. I shouldn't hit that 50% within 30 minutes. So maybe that could change, maybe down the road. So I could probably do a revisited video of this little test again, maybe 3 or 4 months down the road and see if I'm able to get 50% within 30 minutes. But all that's telling us is that it is a little bit weaker of a battery. It's just easier to get to that higher percentage, and that's pretty much about it. But I will say, if you only have 30 minutes to charge your device as it's fast charging, you'll get 42% right around there, and that's going to give you many hours throughout the rest of the day to still use your device. So you saw the very last number on there was 1 hour and 38 minutes, which was a total of 98 minutes, which is only 8 minutes longer than what Samsung states. Now that's still a very good number when you put it into perspective. If your phone is completely dead and you charge it all the way up to 100%, it only takes 1.5 hours, give or take a few minutes there, but you're able to go through almost the entire day using that device. Now Samsung's batteries keep getting bigger and bigger every single year, or pretty close to. We're able to charge the 3,000 milliamp batteries, the 3,300 milliamp batteries, the 3,500 milliamp batteries, and they're all ranging about 2 to 8 minutes longer than that 90 minutes, which is still unbelievable and I love. So now going back to that tip where I've mentioned from before, where if you're one of those folks who charges your phone throughout the entire night, all you have to do is just get this little smart plug right here. So I will have the link of this product below the video inside the description. And the one that I'm going to be linking is a 2-pack, which is just super convenient if you have your device or maybe someone else's device, a spouse's device, a friend's device. Maybe you have 2 different devices, maybe a tablet and a cell phone. It's a way that you'd be able to extend the lifelong battery of your device. So how I make this thing work is that in my room, I do have this thing plugged in. It has the normal Samsung fast charging wall mount. It has the normal cable that comes with the box. And then I just plug it in and then I head to bed. But it's not charging because I have this thing set up on a schedule. So through the Wi-Fi signal and everything else, and through the application that comes with with this thing, I'm able to set up the schedule that at 6 a.m. this thing ticks on and then starts charging my device because I don't wake up until 7. That means that every single night through maybe let's just say 1 year time, this thing is only turning on for 1 hour, giving it some charge. Versus if you were to not use this thing, then you might be charging your phone for maybe an additional 5 or 6 hours throughout the entire night for that full rest of the year. And what's happening is that maybe in 1 year from now, my phone will possibly die at 5 p.m., but then yours will be dying at noon just because of the wear and tear on the battery. So people, say things like, oh, a trickle charge or it stops. But the thing is that it's still plugged into a wall. It's still getting a little bit of power because you still have a little bit of a light that's still going through. That's just my belief. That's my opinion. You guys can write your opinions and beliefs below on what you really think of what's happening. So doing things like this has definitely helped me in the past with making sure that all the rest of my devices last as long as possible. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. Make sure you guys give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also hit on subscribe if you have not subscribed already. You can hit that little red circle at the very bottom left-hand side of this thing as well. That's another way to be able to subscribe. Make sure you guys share this video with your friends and family. And outside of that, I'll see you guys later.